Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Things that are changing on YouTube. YouTube is not only opening up for those smaller viewers, and not only are they leaving away from those quick edits, but I see a time when they're starting to favor longer form content. Now I know it's a little difficult, especially if you're not used to, doing longer videos. Some of us are really not into doing longer videos, but if you are, YouTube is starting to open up to that. TV style, YouTube on big screens and TV, families, communities. I see a time when they're really going towards that real strong. So consider that, and don't forget, always add value. We can add value adding to the video's link at the same time. Now, I've got some bonus points that I do want to share with you. But first, you are enjoying the content on my channel. You can always show your appreciation with a Cash App donation, a super thanks, super chat. You can buy a coffee, take my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do that. And those of you who already do that, you keep the lights on here at Next Level. And I really appreciate you. One thing that works for one channel may not necessarily work for you. Everybody's channel is different. Is it too late? Is it oversaturated? And what I found that it's never too late to do the right thing. You're never too old to follow your dream. So keep that in mind and make it happen for you. And there's some things about our subscribers that we really don't even know about. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here coming up on the screen. Secrets about our subscribers YouTube don't even tell us about. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So go ahead and check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. I appreciate you. Hit the like button. Share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed. Stay positive. Never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.